Hi everyone. So today's topic is areas and circumference, another topic in revision booklet. So let's get started. Okay, the first point is the circle is a shape where all points are equidistant from a center. You can see it in the picture. So the area of a circle is the space within the circle. We already know about it, and perimeter of a circle is called the circumference. I have already covered these 2 points in my previous videos about the circle. Okay, if you want to learn more about it and you are not very clear, please go and watch those videos. So before moving forward, let's understand the relationship between the circumference of a circle and a diameter. So for example, we have a circle and the diameter is given to us. Why do we use pi all the time when we are talking about the circle? So if we were to take the diameter, all right, and bend it around the circumference of a circle, for example, one time, second time, and a third time, it shows that the diameter has not covered the entire circumference of a circle. It means a bit is remaining. This is where the circumference says that I am 3.1415 times longer than the diameter, and this special constant value we use in mathematics, which is called pi. Okay, it's mentioned on the screen, and it is very helpful for you if you memorize pi to 2 decimal place, which is 3.14. Now let's take some example for the circumference and area. Okay, how to find these two things on a circle. Now find the circumference to 1 decimal place. First you need to write your formula, and as per the formula substitute your values and start your workout. If you put the entire value in your calculator, the calculator will do the work for you. So here the circumference is 50.3. Whereas if I have to find the area of a circle, then first, as always I say, write your formula, start substituting your values, and after substituting your values, you can do your workout easily and accurately. Let's take some more examples about the area and circumference of a circle. Find the area of a circle or area and circumference of the circle to 1 decimal place. So as we can see, we have been given 15 centimeter as a diameter. So what I'm going to write is area, formula, substitute the values, okay, and find out the answer. Remember, you have to write your formula first and then start substituting the value as per given in your question. Now, because it is asking me area and circumference, so I have to do the circumference too. So circumference is pi d, which is going to be pi times 15, and the answer will be 47.1 centimeter. Okay. Now let's take one more example of similar type. Find the area and circumference of a circle to 1 decimal place. So I have been given the radius, which is 3 meter, and we know the area formula is pi r square. So I'll substitute the values and find out my answer. Similarly for the circumference, as it is asking me both of them, so substitute the values again and then find your answer. I'm keep repeating my words that first you write down your formula, substitute the values, and then start working it out. Otherwise, you will miss out some or the other thing and you'll lose your marks. So let's take this example. It is too much of worded question, so sometimes students gets confused, like means how to answer these type of questions. So be very careful while answering these type of questions, as some of the information is already been given to us and we have to put that information into the right format to find the answer. Now the diagram shows a shape made of two semicircle and a rectangle. So we know there are two semicircles and one rectangle, and we need to find out the area of a shape, okay, and the perimeter of the shape, and we need to give the answer into 2 decimal places. So first thing first, I know that there is a rectangle given to us and we have the information of the rectangle. So area of a rectangle is width times length. So I will write area of a rectangle, 8 times 12 is equal to 96 centimeter square. Now I will figure out the area of my first figure, okay, which is going to be pi times r square, and r is my radius. Radius is 4 centimeter, okay, and 4 centimeter means 4 times 4 is 16, and that the value whichever we are going to get divided by 2, because we are dealing with the semicircle, so we need the area of a half circle, which is 25.13 centimeter square. Now let's take the do for the similar thing, do for the second semicircle. Okay, area of second semicircle will be pi times 6 square, because half of the 12 is 6. 6 square divided by 2, because we need the information only for the semicircle, not for the full circle, which is going to be 56.55 centimeter square. Now total area, I have to add all of them together, is going to be 96 plus 25.13 plus 56.55, which is going to be 177.68 centimeter square. You put this value in your calculator, you'll find this answer. Now I'm done with the area of the entire shape, but I need to find the perimeter of the shape as well. So what am I going to do? Perimeter for the arc 1 is going to be pi times 8 divided by 2, which is going to be 12.57 centimeter. Arc for arc 2, pi times 12 divided by 2 is 18.85 centimeter. And now I'm going to add all these information, because I got the perimeter length, okay, for both the figure for both the arcs, and I have the information for my length. So I have to add all the values to get the final answer for my perimeter, total perimeter of the shape. So 12 plus 8 plus 12.57 plus 18.85 is going to give me 51.42 centimeter, and this is the perimeter of my shape. So here's another question about the fraction of a circle. So determine the area of this quarter circle. Give your answer in the exact form. Now we just need to find the area of a full circle and then divide it by 4, as we only have a quarter of a circle. So how are we going to do it? First, we need to substitute the values as per the formula. So we know the formula is pi times r square, but because it's a fraction of a circle, it is going to be divided by 4. Now 36 pi by 4 is going to give you 9 pi, and this is my answer. So this is the answer for the fraction of my circle. So first we did the area of the shape. Now in this fraction of a circle, we are going to find the perimeter of this fraction of a circle. Recall that the perimeter of a shape is the total of all the edge lengths. Okay. Now as per that perimeter, we'll substitute the values, which is 2 times pi times 8 divided by 4. Why 4? Because it's a fraction of a circle. It's a fourth part of a circle. Plus the two edges which is given to us, which are straight lines, 8 plus 8. And then as per the values given, per the values substituted, we have got 16 pi by 4 plus 16, and you know that 16 can be divided by 4. So my final answer will be 4 pi plus 16. Thank you for watching this video. I wish you very good health and stay connected for the future videos. Bye-bye.